Good morning, traders. Welcome to StockCast. My name is Todd Derby, and I will be your pilot on this journey this morning. How is everyone doing today? I always feel like an associate pastor at a church when I get asked to do the money sermon, when I get to do the show by myself. So let's do it. Let's get into it. Couple days off, slow summertime. Come back. There's not a whole lot going on. James is off the rest of the week, and I'm assuming he'll be back sometime this weekend or next week. So, but let's talk about some stock stuff. Futures are down, just slightly down right now, just a little bit, and SPY is down or about break even right now. I know the big talk right now with a lot of our members is about the whales and the eye, talking about SPY taking a downturn here in the near future. I actually took a share position in the after hours yesterday. My average is 393.33, so I'm about a point plus right now in green, so that's a positive thing. And that was my first entry into this last whale position that I've taken shares. So one of the things that James and I talked about was the trap. Because I told him, I said, the whales are in a $1 billion position short, but I just feel like the way the market's reading, the way SPYs are responding, it looks strong. Strong. And we know historically that the small retail trader, and I would consider us and our membership and our listeners to be the small retail trader, that we're the ones that they're looking to skin alive, and they would look to trap us. So is this the big trap? We don't know. But I do have a small position, SPY short. So big news going on right now. We're in earnings week. Earnings week is in the middle of the summer is always good. Usually after earnings week gets over, or earnings season, actually not earnings season gets over, small cap market kicks in. So I'm looking forward to getting through this pile of earnings, and hopefully we get some more play into the small cap world. So I'm going to talk about one ticker here in a little bit, about ticker that I'm excited about, or hope to see do something, and then maybe get an opportunity to play it. So be curious to see what tickers are on your radar, what's on your chart, your monitors, and what you're looking at, and we can chat about those. Let me go hit the comments real quick. Yes, John, I appreciate all your news and the sharing of information in the chat box there. I don't know if anyone's following the Elon Musk Twitter debacle, but I guess there's actually a trial set for October for they're trying to sue him to buy the company, and which I think is interesting that they would go that route, because I think one of the reasons that he wasn't looking to back out, one of the reasons he was looking to back out of the deal was not providing documentation of the actual membership. And now they're going to get into court, and he's going to be able to ask for that. He's going to be able to ask for that and get that information. And if it is what we're all thinking, or what he's thinking, that there's probably good probability that the price will change, because the membership or the viewership, listenership of Twitter will drop off. All right, looking at comments here. Let's go. Yeah, I appreciate that. Tesla earnings after market today. Yeah, John, what do you think about Tesla earnings today? I've been reading some chatter about that. They think their numbers are going to be good. I just think that there was a lot of supply issues where they couldn't get some stuff out, but I think the numbers overall are going to be good. But you'll be curious to see how Tesla responds to that. I mean, where they're going to go. They've been in a little bit of off grind. They're trading right now a little over 735 in that low 700s, and is that going to push them closer to 800, or are they going to crack under 700 with that? Tesla is a ticker I trade daily, almost daily. I trade it at the opening bell. I watch what it's doing. I take a peek at my trading view chart and see what the indicators are saying there. And then usually there's a spike of $3, $4, $5, $7, and it will be in like a 1 minute candle. And I will then be watching SPY while that's going on. And then I'll either take a contrarian viewpoint and take a position to either go short or long opposite of the spike. Maybe I'll show it to you guys one day where we do a little live stream where we can kind of talk about it. But if you watch Tesla in the first opening 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, sometimes it takes 5 or 6 minutes, but usually it's in the first couple minutes. It will do a big spike up or a big spike down. And then it'll have a bounce move. Then after 5 minutes, it kind of settles into its grind. And then you can kind of watch it, and then it'll grind to about 10 o'clock. And then 10:30 are two key moments where it's actually will sometimes do a full reversal on almost on the spot, like the algorithms. Like someone clicked a switch for an algo, and boom, off it goes, and it'll take the other direction. So I'll be curious to see how Tesla responds to the earnings and what it does to the stock price. Good morning, Rob. Rob just had a recent birthday. As John's watching BA and SPX. Eddie, I don't know what the whales are doing. I don't have that information. James has that information. He will tweet that out. And even though he's been on vacation, he's been good about keeping that information, keeping us in tune with the whales position. At the end of the day yesterday, XPX, they were over $1 billion short. Actually, they were over $1 billion short, but they actually were long in SPY, which I found to be interesting. But they were only long a little bit in SPY, so I didn't really count that as a big position. Reading about John saying the judge has COVID. Interesting. Thought COVID was over. He's requesting his counter complaint to be on trial. Yeah, that'll happen. That's anytime there's a suit and a countersuit, those are usually tied together. I'm not an attorney, but that's usually they are tied together. As John, I agree. 750 is a key number. It's a key number of resistance, and if it breaks that and holds that, I definitely think we're going to see. And you can almost trade Tesla when people ask about resistance lines. Think of $5, $10 hole marks. So 775 will be a tough resistance number, and then 780, 85, 90, 95, and then obviously 800 will be a really, really tough one. So that'll be good. All right. Appreciate the people that are there listening. Let me show you my chart real quick. This is my SPY chart. Right now, SPY's trading around just under 392. 392. It's nice to look over at my screen, my positions, and see my SPY holdings next to my POAI and my Turtle Beach holdings, and my SPY holdings is in the green. That is refreshing. Seeing something green over there versus the other two mud puppies in the red. So let me share a ticker with you guys called APLD. This has been Applied Blockchain. It's been on it's been a ticker that's been on my radar the last couple days, and a lot of you know that I'm a short bias trader. I'm not always, but I mean I make a lot of my successful trades taking a short position, and usually what I like to do is find a ticker that's going to do something stupid, parabolic move, make it run up, hit some previous highs, previous resistances, and Applied Blockchain is one of those that I'm going to be watching over the next couple of days, and I'm hoping it it does something stupid. And when I say stupid, like it literally doubles its price here from $2.30, and it gets up to around $5. And if it gets in that $5 range, I will then be looking to take a short position if I can get. So we're right here at 230, and you can see that it's got an all-time high of around $27. But I think that's going to see some serious resistance around the $5 mark. You can see at the top of that band right there. Right there is like right around $5. So I'll be watching this one for pushing around $5 over the next couple of days. And if so, I will be taking looking for a short position in that. All right. So something that we've been talking about, when I say we, James and I mostly, because we talk about StockCast, we talk about ways to improve it, we talk about ways we like, what things we don't like. What I'm curious for one of our conversations, and I won't break into down the details of why we're talking about this, but I'm curious, the people that are here, how many of you are non-members of TTBB? And just curious to that. So if you're a non-member, because like right now we've got a little over 40 people listening, which is a little on the low side, but we've had a couple of days vacation, and so I didn't expect to see 70, 80, 90 this morning. But I'm curious how many people here are non-members of TTBB. Just give a shout out in the comments. So I'm just curious, are most of our members, most of the listeners are paid TT members? Because one of the things we're talking about, I guess I will tell you, because one of the things we're talking about is that we get in here and we know that this YouTube goes on our page and it's public domain and people can see it, but we are talking about maybe we should be talking more of our alerts and more of our tickers that pop up in our day and swing trade. We've got the small account challenge going with Jordan Garcia and Johnny that's going on right now, and people are asking questions about those trades in there. So it'd be nice if we could have a conversation about some of our paid member services. So we're considering different ideas. So with that, let me know if you're a non-member, if it's part of our group. So all right. Okay. Other than that, any questions? I'm opening up some questions. We're under 15 minutes to the market, and every 3 years. You're only 1 month so far. I thought that's good. I thought you had been a member for a while. You've been in here listening. So, welcome. Congratulations. If anybody has any questions about our member services, I'd be happy to take a moment and answer any questions about that. But we're under about 14 minutes away to the start of the market. Is there anything that's on your radar, any questions you have, or anything you want to chat about this morning? Yeah, the small account challenges S-John is doing well. Communications is going out on that, and the potential trades. I think Monday they had 2 really rock solid wins with 2 of their trades. So kudos to Jordan and Johnny for handling that. Thomas's dad has a subscription. Good. All right. Any other questions you have? We are 13 minutes away. It is a slow morning. I've got just a couple things I'm watching on my radar, which I mentioned. I don't have a heavy trading day planned. I'm not expecting APLD to make that parabolic move right away. This could happen later in the day. It could happen intraday. It could happen tomorrow. It could even happen Friday. So I'll be watching that. Oh, James is in here listening. I like that. Very good. Very good. Good morning, James. Hope you're enjoying your vacation. For those that didn't know, he's on an alligator hunt. He posted on Facebook he was chasing alligators here a couple nights ago. So, All right, people. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your commentary. Thank you for what's going on. Jason, I was talking about a ticker I'm watching called Applied Blockchain, APLD. That's the one I'm watching. So I'm watching for that to make its move. It does not look like it's going to make its move right now, but I'm looking for it to get up around $5 before I get excited about it. If it moves to 350, I'm not going to get excited about it. To be fully honest, I'm looking for it to get in that $5 range, and I'll be looking to then enter that. But I'm looking for it to do something stupid, so something parabolic. Okay, hey, James is spying. No, he's not. He actually helped me set the show up today because I hadn't done it in a while, so he helped me get it going. So appreciate it. Even when he's on vacation, he's not on vacation. So good man, Charlie Brown. All right. With that, if there are no more commentary, no more questions, I'm gonna tell you guys to have a good day trading. He's at a private resort. Yeah, I can't wait to hear more about this. This will be good. So hope you guys have a good day trading. Be safe with your money. Be safe with your trades. Again, earnings season is in full swing, and so tickers I'm not. I know James doesn't, and I don't. I know many others don't. There's a few that you do though. A few that do play earnings, and you post those big wins with those successful stories. Just that it's so hard to come out with and to understand. Like tickers didn't done exactly well. They've opened up the resorts, or they have great numbers or sales numbers, and then they report all this positive news, and boom, it goes down. Like it's just crazy. So I don't understand that. So if you do me a favor before you sign off today and have a good day, hit that like button. Give us a little, helps us give us a little bump in our algos, and we appreciate the love and appreciation. So with that, I will have a good day and hope that you have the same. Take care.